Alright, this sauteed green bean dish is a great one to have in your repertoire, especially when you're busy cooking multiple other dishes for like a party or a holiday, because it's something that has just very simple ingredients. It's something that you can cook up quickly, but it's not an elaborate affair, but it still tastes amazing. Alright, let's talk ingredients. This dish uses the holy trinity of some Mediterranean cuisine, and that is extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon, and fresh garlic. It is an intoxicating combination that I can never get tired of. Once you wash your green beans, you will want to snip off these ends right here. And then you have a decision to make. Do you want them at their original length, or do you want to kind of cut them into smaller pieces? That's completely optional for you to decide. All right, I have 3 large cloves of garlic here. A quick word about the garlic. We want to save it towards the end of the cooking of the beans because otherwise it's going to burn. So by doing it last, what we're going to do is let it get nice and golden brown and soft, and that's going to be the peak flavor of that garlic. This is a completely optional step, but I like to finish this dish with some lemon zest, which you'll want to prep before squeezing the lemon. I find that it adds another element of flavor. All right, we're gonna get the pan hot. And we're gonna put in a healthy dose of olive oil. You can test the oil by seeing if you get this bubbling effect when you stick the green bean in. So I'm going to now add it. Okay, a quick word about covering or not covering your pan. It's really up to you. If you leave it covered too long, your green beans are probably going to get too soggy, unless you like that. You can also do it completely uncovered, and that's going to lead to a snappier green bean. Once we get to your level of desired snappiness or doneness, that's when we're going to add the garlic and lower the heat a little bit. Okay, you're seeing some of the charred bits, which I like. It adds a nice texture. The garlic is going to get nice and golden brown and soft, and that's when you know it's ready. If you want light lemon, I would go with just a half. However, if you want a much more lemony flavor, you can go ahead and add the other half as well. Hey, if you want some product recommendations for microplane or a lemon squeezer, just check in the description below and I have some links for you. All right, we're gonna finish with the salt. Okay, let's get these beautiful garlic bits on top. Top it off with some lemon zest. It is amazingly aromatic. It's that combination of really good extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and that golden cooked garlic that just produces that amazing aroma and flavor. I would recommend you trying this. It's so simple, especially if you're cooking multiple dishes. It's fantastic for a get-together that you're having or a holiday gathering when you're cooking a lot of dishes because it's so easy to put together. It's also fantastic for a weeknight meal.